Hey guys, welcome to my Big Fun show. And today I want to talk about something that's happening in my city. Unfortunately, people still believe that the problem with the trees is insignificant. The tree felling unbalances Aguascalientes ecosystem. Why? The newspaper La Jornada reported that in the past December, air quality was affected by tree felling. The UAA biologist Hugo Noé Araza explains that Thordo yellowhead bird are in danger for this action. However, the thordo isn't the only animal affected by the excessive tree felling. The dogs are affected too. Think in the puppies. The swallow, the heron, as well as the native pigeons and cenates are affected too. Another problem mentioned by the newspaper El Sol del Centro is the increase of heat waves in November 2019. The Director of Ecological Awareness of Aguascalientes, Humberto Tenorio, concluded that there was an increase in the incidence of UV rays. Last December frost burned about 30% of the total vegetation in the state. So, what we have to do? We need to realize that the trees are the base of the life. They are like our parents from an artistic point of view. People need to know that without trees, we wouldn't exist. There will be no place to rest, air to breathe. There will be no one to see us grow up as the trees do. That's why we need to take care of as many trees as we can, to save the last of them. Finally, unless someone like you cares a whole lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not.
Hey, I was working on this dance for a little bit. I was hoping you could tell me what you think. Alright, here I go. Whoa! Yeah, so you could tell me if you liked it or not. Even if you didn't, you know, I worked really hard on it, and I'm proud. That's all that really matters. I'm proud of myself. Did you see my butt?